Alrighty, here we go. The F45 Challenge Meals, made by, or packaged by CHEFGOOD, and I'm going to be unboxing them today just to see what we've got. This is actually the second week that I've ordered from CHEFGOOD, and they're actually pretty good. They're not bad. So let's have a look what we've got in box number one here. Unboxing this box. There's our shopping list, all the stuff. Check to see if that's all there. You can see they're packed pretty well. They got like this woolen packaging. So I've ordered the 7-day meal plan along with the snacks as well. So 7 days worth of breakfast, lunch and dinner, and 7 days of snacks also. So there's a second box there. You can see we've got a bit of an ice thing which is reusable, melted. So you can see we've got a few different types of snacks. Got coconut balls and some, what have we got there? We've got raw seeded nut mix. You can see here we've got the chopped coconut ball. They're pretty good. Lemon and coconut ball as well. We've got these ones. These are also the snacks. So we've got peanut butter celery boats. So I had them last week as well. Okay, that box is now empty. Let's see what we've got in this one. Another ice pack. We'll keep that one. Carrot sticks with almond butter again. And what do we got here? Poached chicken breast with coconut dressing. Pretty cool. So you can see they come packed really well, and they actually taste pretty good, I've got to say. I had that one last week. Oh well, that's all right. It's pretty good. So I didn't have that. That's pretty good. There is a list that comes with this, so you just check through your list, make sure you got everything, which I'm going to do in a sec. And there's also an email that comes through which tells you what meal is for which day. So there you have it. F45 Challenge. Pre-made meals, ready-made, delivered. Oh, look at this. Got 2 smoothies this week. What do we got here? We've got a creamy avocado choc smoothie and cherry ripe smoothie. Again, yum, awesome. Okay, we've got some other goodies in there. Can't wait to start eating. Feeling healthy, getting fit. Awesome. All right, catches.